When using ceramide creams or gels in your skincare routine, what can you expect realistically? Sa dinami-daming mga claims na mga skincare products in the market like poreless skin, glass skin, or clear skin, I'm here to tell you the real and honest truth about using this ingredient. Number one, ceramides are not going to clear your acne, simply because that's the job of your acne medications. However, ceramides are going to help you tolerate your acne medications better. When you use a layer of a ceramide moisturizer before or after putting on your acne medications, it can help prevent your skin from being dry, flaky, or cracked, especially since medyo drying talaga ang mga acne medications. Number two, ceramides are not going to give you poreless skin. However, ceramides are going to make our pores healthier because ingredients like ceramides support our skin barrier. And a healthy skin barrier plus using the right active ingredients like retinol, retinoids, or salicylic acid can definitely help us reduce or minimize their appearance. Number three, ceramides are not going to fade your dark spots, simply because that's the job of brightening ingredients like niacinamide, kojic acid, alpha-arbutin, vitamin C, and other brightening ingredients. However, using ceramides can help prevent your dark spots or red marks from getting darker or redder. Kasi guys, as we know, one of the main factors that can make dark spots more dark or red marks more red is irritation. And the job of a good ceramide moisturizer is to help promote a healthy skin barrier. And a healthy skin barrier means magiging less prone to irritation siya. So all in all, ceramides are not a magical cure-all ingredient. However, they can be helpful when you incorporate them in a routine with the right skincare actives.